Hi everyone. Welcome to NK Studios channel. Today, I wanna show you how to import an animated Sketchfab model to Blender and make cyclic animation. Okay, let's go. First of all, we go to Select, choose All or press on keyboard. Press X and click Delete to delete all. Next, we go to File, Import and choose the file format. Sketchfab has several animated 3D format such as FBX, USD, GLB, etc. I had downloaded a GLB file from Sketchfab. Now I will choose GLB to import it. This model has 3 different actions. Click on Import GLTF 2.0. Now the model is very small. In 3D viewport, we go to View, choose Frame, select it to zoom in and have a better view. In the outliner window, you can see this model has root node empty, skeleton tree and dragon wings mesh. We turn on the viewport shading mode to see its materials. Now turn off the show overlays to hide all except the mesh. You can press the middle mouse button to rotate the 3D viewport in Blender. Click on Play Animation button to watch model's action, or press spacebar on your keyboard. You can extend the length of overall animation by increased number in end frame. As you can see, this action stop at nearly 300th frame. Now we're going to make it cyclic. Turn on the show overlays. Left-click on skeleton, change timeline window to graph editor. There is nothing in this window now. Change object mode to pose mode. Click on Select All to select all spine. And now we can see all spine with their actions in the graph editor window. Go to Modifier tab, choose Add Modifier, Cycles. And now the action will repeat again and again until Blender reach the last frame. We will try another action. Go to Dope Sheet window, choose Action Editor. We will change to other action and repeat all steps. Running skeletal. Go to Graph Editor. All spine are selected before, go to Modifier, Add Modifier and select Cycles. Back to Timeline and hit Play button. Turn off the Show Overlays. And this dragon is running now very smooth. Let's try last action, flying. And it's flying in Blender, again and again. Very nice. Thank you for watching this video and happy blending. See you next time.